Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix missing chat history sync now on Messenger. First, open the Messenger application on your mobile device. In the Messenger app, tap on the three horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings. Scroll down the settings until you find Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. Within Privacy and Safety, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. This section manages the encryption settings for your messages. In the encrypted chat settings, look for the message storage and tap on it. Here you will see information about your message backups. Check last backup and date created to ensure that your chat history is backed up properly. If your chat history is not syncing correctly, you might need to perform a manual backup. Look for an option to backup now or similar and tap on it to create a new backup. Once the backup is complete, your chat history should be synced and any missing messages should be restored. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.